In this video, I'll be helping you to understand which GSM of paper you can use for your Canon Pixma E3370. Now, this is the particular model that I have, but this does also apply for any other Canon Pixma of the series, unless of course you're using a special printer which is designed for a higher GSM of paper. If you're not common with what GSM is, it's the standard paper weight range. So the most typical which is plain paper, is around 64 GSM up to 105. Now this is the recommended weight for the paper used on these printers. If you are to use anything higher than that, it may cause a paper jam in your printer, so it's not advised to do this. Of course, if you have a special Canon paper, for example the Photo Paper Plus Glossy 2, this is a 275 GSM paper which is designed to go into the Canon Pixma machines, and this is sort of the exception to that rule, so you'll be able to use that for any need that you have for a higher weight of paper. Aside from that, the plain paper, for example 64 to 105 GSM, is the best one to use. Now, once again, if you do try to use something that isn't designed for this printer, like another higher GSM paper, then it could cause a paper jam. If you do, however, cause a paper jam and you're not sure how to fix it, feel free to check out our other videos where we explain exactly what you can do to resolve those issues. We also have many other videos regarding these printers, so they can be quite useful for you if you're setting up, you're connecting to a new PC, or you're just trying to do one of the features of this printer. I hope this has been quite useful for you. If it has, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave us a comment as well if you have any questions or concerns, and we'll be sure to get back to you as soon as we can. I look forward to the next video. Have a wonderful day.